go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the beauty of gazebo design for backyards and inspiration for creating a serene outdoor backyard haven with Gazebo. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the realm of backyard design, gazebos stand as exquisite architectural elements that elevate both aesthetic appeal and functionality. These structures, often characterized by their open-air design and elegant proportions, offer a tranquil retreat where homeowners can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of gazebo design, exploring its meaning, benefits, decorative possibilities, and furnishings. A gazebo is a freestanding outdoor structure typically featuring a roof and open sides. It provides a sheltered space for relaxation, contemplation, or social gatherings. Gazebos can be constructed from various materials, including wood, metal, or vinyl, and come in a wide range of styles, from classic to contemporary. Here are some of the benefits of having a gazebo in your backyard. First, enhanced outdoor living. A gazebo creates a dedicated area for enjoying the outdoors, extending your living space beyond the confines of your home. Second, aesthetic appeal. Gazebos add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your backyard, enhancing its overall visual appeal. Third, versatile space. Whether you're hosting a party, reading a book, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, a gazebo offers a versatile space for various activities. Fourth, increased property value. A well-designed gazebo can significantly increase the value of your home. Fifth, connection to nature. Gazebos provide a direct connection to the natural world, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. How to decorating a backyard with a gazebo with it. When decorating your backyard with a gazebo, consider the following tips. First, choose a style. Select a gazebo style that complements your home's architecture and your personal taste. Second, lighting. Illuminate your gazebo with string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Third, plants and flowers. Surround your gazebo with lush greenery and vibrant flowers to enhance its natural beauty. Fourth, outdoor furniture. Furnish your gazebo with comfortable seating, a small table, and any other accessories that suit your needs. Fifth, decorative elements. Add personal touches to your gazebo with throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. When decorating your backyard with gazebo, don't forget about the furnish to complete the look and function. Here are some of the best furnishings for gazebo design. 1. Seating. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant seating options, such as outdoor sofas, armchairs, or swing benches. 2. Tables. A small table provides a surface for serving drinks, snacks, or playing games. 3. Fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or fireplace adds warmth and ambience to your gazebo, especially during cooler evenings. 4. Barbecue grill. A barbecue grill allows you to cook and enjoy delicious meals outdoors. 5. Storage. Consider adding storage options, such as a small cabinet or shelves, to keep your gazebo organized and clutter-free. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 best gazebo design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Rustic wooden gazebo. Embrace the timeless beauty of nature with a rustic wooden gazebo. Crafted from natural materials like cedar or redwood, these structures exude a warm and inviting ambience. The intricate details, such as hand-carved beams and decorative latticework, add a touch of handcrafted charm. 2. Modern metal gazebo. For a sleek and contemporary look, opt for a modern metal gazebo. Constructed from materials like aluminum or steel, these structures offer durability and low maintenance. Clean lines, geometric shapes, and minimalist designs create a sophisticated and stylish focal point in your backyard. 3. Pergola-style gazebo. Combine the open-air feel of a pergola with the sheltered space of a gazebo. Pergola-style gazebos feature a partial roof, providing shade and protection from the elements while maintaining a sense of openness. This design is ideal for those who enjoy the outdoors but prefer a bit of coverage. 4. Hexagonal gazebo. Add a touch of whimsy and uniqueness to your backyard with a hexagonal gazebo. This distinctive shape creates a visually interesting focal point and offers ample space for seating and activities. Hexagonal gazebos can be constructed from various materials, including wood, metal, or vinyl. 5. Gazebo with a hot tub. Create a luxurious outdoor retreat by combining a gazebo with a hot tub. The sheltered space of the gazebo provides privacy and protection from the elements, allowing you to enjoy the soothing benefits of a hot tub year-round. Add comfortable seating, soft lighting, and lush greenery to enhance the spa-like atmosphere. 6. Gazebo with a hammock. Indulge in relaxation and tranquility with a gazebo featuring a built-in hammock. The gentle swaying of the hammock provides a peaceful escape from the stresses of daily life. Surround the gazebo with flowering plants and trees to create a serene and idyllic setting. 7. Gazebo with a fireplace. Extend your outdoor enjoyment into the cooler months with a gazebo equipped with a fireplace or fire pit. Gather around the warmth of the fire, roast marshmallows, and enjoy the cozy ambience. A fireplace adds a touch of elegance and functionality to your outdoor living space. 8. Gazebo with a water feature. Enhance the tranquility of your backyard with a gazebo that incorporates a water feature. A small fountain, waterfall, or koi pond can create a soothing and relaxing atmosphere. The gentle sound of flowing water adds a touch of serenity to your outdoor retreat. 9. Gazebo with a bar. Transform your backyard into a social hub with a gazebo featuring a built-in bar. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying a casual gathering with friends, a bar adds a touch of sophistication and convenience. Stock it with your favorite drinks and create a lively atmosphere. 10. Gazebo with a built-in grill. Enjoy the convenience of outdoor cooking and dining with a gazebo that includes a built-in grill. Prepare delicious meals while taking in the beauty of your backyard. A grill adds functionality and versatility to your outdoor living space, making it the perfect spot for entertaining guests. A gazebo is more than just a structure, it's a gateway to a serene and enchanting outdoor space. By carefully considering design elements, furnishings, and personal preferences, you can create a backyard oasis that reflects your unique style and provides endless opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment. Ready to transform your backyard into a stunning outdoor haven? Visit Homes Decor Designs channel today for expert guidance on gazebo design and installation. Let us help you create the perfect retreat for your family and friends. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.